These AI-generated POV videos are taking over social media, racking up millions of views on TikTok and Instagram. They're immersive, cinematic, and make viewers feel like they're living another life. But here's the crazy part. Almost no one is maximizing their potential on YouTube Shorts. That means a massive opportunity for you to step in, get ahead of the trend, and claim your piece of this insanely profitable niche. Think about it. Everywhere you scroll, you see the same types of POVs. You wake up as the President of the United States, or you are a pyramid builder in ancient Egypt. These videos dominate short-form platforms. But what if you could take things further? What if you could break away from the crowd and create your own unique POVs videos? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, step by step, using free AI tools that will allow you to create your own unique, high-impact POV videos. Instead of just following trends, you'll be able to craft your own original concepts that stand out in a sea of repetitive content. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for making viral AI POV content that grabs attention, drives engagement, and grows your channel fast. So make sure you watch until the end, because every step matters if you want to create viral videos that actually stand out. Now let's get started. The first step in creating a viral AI POV video is to start with the right idea. Most creators stick to the same overused ideas, like waking up as a pyramid builder. That's why I want to help you break away from the crowd and craft your own unique POV videos that stand out from everything else online. To make this process easier, I've put together a Google Doc with prompts that you can use to generate fresh, original ideas. Whether you're aiming to create a POV from a soldier's perspective or as Spider-Man, these prompts will help spark creativity and guide you toward making something truly unique. You can find the link to the Google Doc in the description below, so make sure to check it out. And if you've made it this far into the video, take a second to hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this video to more creators like you. Now let's move on and start bringing our POV video to life. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the idea prompt. Once you've copied the prompt, open ChatGPT and simply paste it in. This will guide ChatGPT to generate engaging, immersive POV ideas based on the character or profession you're creating. Whether it's Spider-Man swinging through the city or a soldier surviving the trenches of World War I, all you have to do is input it there. For this video, we'll be focusing on the life of a soldier in World War I. Then click enter, and in seconds, you'll get a list of powerful ideas tailored to your point of view. Once the ideas are generated, take a moment to go through them carefully. Look for one that truly stands out, something that feels unique and exciting, a concept that will hook viewers instantly. Remember, the key to a viral POV video isn't just the visuals, but also how engaging and immersive the experience feels. Now that we have our idea, the next step is to get image prompts that will perfectly match the POV experience we're creating. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompts. Then open ChatGPT and paste the prompt into the chat. Before hitting enter, be sure to input the number of the idea you chose earlier. This helps ChatGPT tailor the image prompt specifically to your selected POV scenario. Once that's done, hit enter and ChatGPT will generate a detailed, immersive POV image prompt designed to create high-quality AI visuals that capture the essence of your scene. If you need more images to build a longer and more engaging video, simply ask ChatGPT for additional prompts based on different key moments in your POV. The more variety you include, the richer and more cinematic your final video will be. Now that we have our image prompts ready, the next step is to generate high-quality POV images that will captivate your audience. To do this, we'll be using Ideogram. Go over to your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's a quick and easy process that only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to open the image creation interface where all the magic happens. Before we begin generating images, it's important to optimize the settings to ensure the results align perfectly with your POV concept. First, change the style to realistic. This will ensure that the images feel vivid and lifelike, making it easier for viewers to connect emotionally with the story. Next, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is ideal for vertical videos on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Once the settings are in place, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt, which is waking up in chaos. Then return to Ideogram and paste the prompt into the text box, then hit generate. Within moments, Ideogram will provide you with a selection of visually striking images, each capturing different angles and interpretations of the scene. Now here's where attention to detail matters. Carefully review the generated images and look for one that perfectly fits the POV perspective, where it feels like the viewer is truly experiencing the moment through the character's eyes. The chosen image should include a first-person perspective, with elements like the soldier's hands or legs visible to make the viewer feel fully immersed. Once you've found the ideal image, download it to your device. Now repeat this same process to generate images for every key moment in your POV sequence. The next step is to animate our POV images into dynamic videos. To do this, we'll be using Hailuo AI. Go over to your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to access the animation interface where all the magic happens. Now upload the POV image you want to animate into video. After uploading, you'll see a prompt box where you'll need to provide a description of the image to guide the animation process. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact prompt that was used to generate the image. Since that prompt already contains detailed descriptive information, it's perfect for ensuring that the animation stays true to the original POV concept. Once you've copied the prompt, return to Hailuo AI and paste it into the prompt box, then hit Generate. Now sit back and let Hailuo AI work its magic. The animation process may take a little time depending on the complexity of the image, so be patient while it brings your scene to life. Once the animation is complete, preview the result to ensure that the movement feels smooth and stays true to the POV experience you're aiming for. If you're satisfied with the animation, download the video to your device. Now repeat this process for each of your POV images to animate the full sequence into videos. The next step is to get the perfect background music for our video. We'll create our own custom background tune that perfectly matches the tone and emotion of our POV video. For this, we'll be using Suno. Go over to your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Once you're in, click on the music icon to enter the music creation interface where you'll start building your custom tune. Since we're creating background music for a POV experience, we don't need any lyrics, just the right instrumental vibe to complement the visuals. Click on Instrumental to set the focus entirely on the music. Now to get the perfect style of music for your video, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you style of music to create a tune for this POV. Then click Enter and ChatGPT will provide you with the best style of music for your scenario. Copy the style of music and head back to Suno. Then paste it into the text box and give your track a title that fits the theme of your POV video and hit Create. Now let Suno work its magic. In just a few moments, Suno will generate 2 unique music tracks based on the style you provided. Take your time to listen to both options. Now download the track you prefer to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut, then click on New Project and import all your animated POV clips into the timeline. Since we're creating a vertical video for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels, click on Aspect Ratio and set it to 9:16 to ensure the perfect format. If any of your clips have logos or watermarks, simply click on the clip and stretch it until the watermark is no longer visible. Repeat this process for any other clips that need adjustment, making sure everything looks clean and professional. Next, let's add smooth transitions between scenes to enhance the flow of the video. Click on Overlays, then choose a transition that best complements your POV video. Then click Apply to All to ensure consistency throughout the video. Next, let's add the title of our video to grab your audience's attention right from the start. Click on Text, then type in the title of your video. Customize the font style. Then add animation effect to the text so it appears smoothly at the beginning of the video. Position the title at the top of the screen, then drag it across the timeline so it stays visible throughout the video. With the visuals and text in place, import the background music we downloaded from Suno into the timeline. To make the video even more engaging, let's add video effects. Click on Effects, then select Video Effects, where you'll find a wide variety of options. Take your time browsing through them and choose an effect that fits the mood of your POV. Once selected, drag it across the timeline so it applies consistently throughout the video. Next, let's make the experience even more immersive by adding sound effects. Click on Audio, then select Sound Effects and search for sounds that match your POV scene. If you need additional sound effects, head over to pixabay.com, go to the Sound Effects section, and download high-quality audio that fits your video. Since this particular POV is about war, I will search for battle sounds, gunfire, explosions, or distant shouting to make the environment feel real. Once you've downloaded the sound effects, import them into CapCut and carefully place them in the right spot so they sync perfectly with the visuals. Now watch the entire video from start to finish to ensure the editing is smooth and all the elements are perfectly aligned. If you're satisfied with the final result, click on Export, then set the video resolution to 4K for the best quality and download the video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments section.